children, welcome back to online classroom of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. Today we can start a new topic, heavy and light. See children, heavy and light is a science concept. Every day we are seeing different objects in our surroundings. See, when we take an object, we can easily lift some objects, but some objects we cannot. Do you know the reason? Because different objects has different weight. So, when we divide an object based on its weight, then we get heavy and light. Clear? Now I show you one example. See here, one eraser and here one eraser and one sharpener. Can you say which one is heavy and which one is light? Yes, this one is heavy and this one is light. Now another example. Here one pencil and one box. Here can you say which one is heavy and which one is light? Yes, this one is heavy and this one is light. Now I show you more example. Okay, please look at the screen. Here watermelon is heavy, whereas strawberry is light. Look at here. Here ship is heavy, but the boat is light. See, here football is heavy, whereas balloon is light. Okay children, now I hope you all have understood the concept heavy and light. Then I will let you know the concept thick and thin. Every day we are seeing different things in our surroundings. Some of these things are thick while others are thin. Then we can say that object can be thick or thin. Clear? Then I will show you some examples. Here we have two books. First one thick and second one thin. Next we have two tires. First one thick and second one thin. Next two bangles. First one thick and second one thin. Next two boxes. First box is thick and second box is thin. Next we have two trolleys. Which one is thick? Yes. First one is thick and second one is thin. Okay children, now I hope you all have enjoyed the video and understood the topics that we discussed today. See you on next section. Take care. Thank you.